read? They're gonna read the clues for us.
Outside.
Okay.
Me too. Outside will be fun.
Okay. Well, we have to find the first clue. Did you guys look?
Dominic's will be funny.
Rolled up little pieces of paper. So put your flashlights on.
Where is it? It's in this room.
Where could
It's
it
in
be?
this room.
It's a rolled up piece of paper.
You make me look
You
up.
can check. We will.
I see it.
You
We're
guys
never gonna
look
find
up
that.
too. Look up.
We got a time limit on each room here, Robin.
I think I found it.
Look up. Nope. Nope. Look
You
up.
play hot or cold? You're medium.
Yeah, you can play hot or
Yeah.
cold.
Hot.
Warm.
You're getting hot right there. You're
Nolan,
warm,
Hot,
Nolan.
Look up.
Look up. Nolan, look up.
You see a rolled piece of paper?
Where?
Ben, you see one?
Oh, and you're on the ceiling.
Anywhere, Ben? On top of
An
things?
orange
about-
piece of paper.
Orange.
See it? Dominic, do you see it?
Nolan, you see it?
Oh, there's
Okay.
the first clue.
The first clue.
I want to read it.
Okay, Ben will do the first one. Okay?
Outside.
Read it out loud, Ben.
you
Now,
gotta
everybody
wait.
be quiet.
Shh, read it
and
out
listen
loud,
to
Benny,
that.
so we can hear it.
Friends, this is the start of the race.
Listen.
To find all the clues, you must look in the right place. Clue number 2 may be hidden to go.
Too good.
Should you check in the fridge? You must. I found one. I found one.
Okay. Should I read it again?
Robin.
Okay,
Listen,
here.
listen,
Wait,
now
wait,
listen
wait,
to the
listen.
clue.
Okay, put some light on there for me. Good evening, friends. This is the start of the race. To find all the clues, you must look in the right place. Clue number 2 may be hidden too good. Should you check in the fridge? You most certainly should. Wait. So where do you think we should look next?
In the fridge.
Okay, everybody go up
As a
together.
group. Together.
Everybody look together in the fridge. Find the piece of paper.
I found it.
Okay, Nolan. Open it up. Oh, Danny, look out. Oh, yeah, look. Need some help?
I got it.
Okay, well, let's listen and find
Let's
out.
wait, Dominic.
Dominic.
Do you want to read it or do you want me to read
Dominic, come on.
it? Okay, so this is clue number 2.
Clue number
Everybody
2.
listen.
I am important with your clue looking. From here to there for clue number 3. Look under and crawl.
Okay, let's read that again. Clue number 2. I'm impressed with your courage looking from here to there. For clue number 3, look under a chair.
A chair.
Look under Everybody, look under the chairs. See if you can find the next clue.
There's lots of chairs in the
Let's,
house.
yep.
Yeah. Could be in a different room.
Could be anywhere.
And a different room.
Look under all the chairs.
Did you find them, Owen? What about? You know, there's chairs downstairs. Dominic, there's chairs downstairs.
Downstairs. It's the sky downstairs.
No.
No, it's a chair up here somewhere.
Chair upstairs. Yep.
Look under the chairs.
Look under all the chairs.
I'm going in the living room.
Okay. Check
Did
the
you look under Devin's chair, Kenzie? Right behind you.
dining room chairs.
No.